Today I have received my transfer case skid plate and I'm going to try to install it. I've received 2 boxes, so I'm going to go ahead and open to see what is in them. This thing is heavy. That's one piece. And let's check out this one. I think this is the cross member. So, 2 pieces. So this is all the hardware that I have received with that kit. Okay. All the nut and bolts and washer. And this is how it's going to be oriented to the front of the vehicle. Okay, look at this thing, it's kind of slanted, it's narrow on this part. Okay, and the opening, the slot where the bolt go will be going to the front. Same thing over here. If you look at the plate, there are 2 slots for the bolt that'll go to the front. In the back, you have 3 openings. Okay. So that is how you can, how you know which way it will be put together. Okay. Remember, there are 2 smaller bolts. So each one of them go into the side right here. You remove the original bolt and replace it with a longer one. And here on the passenger side, on that cross member bar, you use the other small bolt and nut. That's where you mount it, okay? There's one problem with this kit. When I bought it, I bought only the transfer case skid plate. So it came with only 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. The 2 in the front are missing. So I ended up having to go to Ace and buy 2 more. I would assume that if you have a full kit, then you will have the bolt there already. But if you buy only the transfer case kit, you will be missing those 2. So what you do, you get one of these, go to Ace store and try to get 2 more. And you should be good to go. There's one other thing that I forgot to point out. To see the exhaust pipe right there. I did not want to reroute it. I like to keep my stuff original as possible. So when you order your kit, you have 2 options. They will ask you to see if you have the original exhaust or it have been rerouted. Okay, for those of you that are going to chop this thing up and reroute it elsewhere, you select the option to get the reroute one, which your skid plate will be straight. It doesn't have that hump right here. Okay, that is the difference. I don't want to mess with my stuff, so I choose the one that has the hump. So Yeah, I'm gonna lose some ground clearance, but I can keep my step original. And that is it. Good luck with your installation.